Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the sociological explanations of high culture and popular culture. High culture refers to the cultural elements shared by members of the upper class or highly educated people. It's often linked to things that take time, money, and education to appreciate. Upper class are society's elites or its most powerful and wealthiest people. They share interests, attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors unique to their high social status. Sociologist Pierre Bourdieu studied high culture and found it's often used as a status symbol. People with wealth and power define what is considered high culture to separate themselves from the working class. Examples of high culture include classical music, opera and ballet, fine art like paintings by Van Gogh or Picasso, luxury fashion brands like Chanel or Louis Vuitton, and attending the theater or exclusive social clubs. Popular culture, or pop culture for short, are cultural experiences and attitudes that are widespread throughout society. Popular culture is influenced by everyday people and reflects what's trending at any given time and appeals to a large audience. Unlike high culture, which is often exclusive, popular culture is consistently changing and shaped by the masses. What's in today might be forgotten tomorrow. Examples include hip-hop, K-pop, pop music, movies and shows like Marvel and reality TV, streetwear brands like Nike, Adidas, and fast fashion, social media influencers, and viral challenges. High culture and popular culture tend to have opposing cultural elements. High culture is associated with wealth, while popular culture is open to everyone and accessible. High culture often requires formal education to fully appreciate, while popular culture is based on trends representing everyday experiences. High culture is slow to change, while popular culture changes quickly and is fueled by the short attention span of social media. Over time, some things once considered low culture become high culture and vice versa. Some people attempt to copy some of the status symbols of high culture by purchasing counterfeit goods like watches, fashion, and art. And then these become ingrained in the popular culture, especially fashion trends. While burgers and fries are part of the American popular culture, caviar or salty eggs from female fish ovaries or foie gras, which is fatty liver of ducks and geese, symbolize high culture. It is important to note that this characterization does not necessarily reflect individual experiences and consumption patterns, as some elites eat McDonald's and some non-elites consume caviar or foie gras during special occasions. Becoming aware of the distinction between high and popular cultures helps us see that what we think of as our own personal preferences and styles are shaped by social class. It also encourages us to think critically about why some things are considered bougie or classy or cheap. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.